We were at the Boardwalk in the Villas and Inns, and we had an issue with our check-in. And while we were at the desk, the woman, basically, she was able to get us upgraded to a villa one-bedroom suite. We're going to take you on the tour of that room right now.
Hello! Welcome to our room. So we're going to give you a tour of a one-bedroom villa here at Disney's Boardwalk Resort. So, in the foyer, as it were, you have a closet, fire extinguisher, vacuum cleaner, extra pillow and blanket if you need it, places to hang your clothes, nice, not exactly full length, but enough for you to see your Disney fashion before you walk out the door. Another coat hanger here, coats, jackets, bags, whatever, just to get them off the floor. And on into the living space, a little table here in case you want to have snacks, dinner. If you wanted to cook your own dinner while you're on vacation, you could do so here. We've got a full range, oven, also got microwave, the cutest little refrigerator here. Nobody left me any snacks. I have dishwasher. It looks like it's fully stocked. Mugs, plates, glasses. Casserole dishes, mixing bowls, tea strainer. Oh, actually, it looks like there's an amenity list of what all is here in the kitchen. Full-size coffee maker, dishwasher, utensils, and probably pots and pans, maybe? No, just a cutting board. Full toaster, coffee here, standard Joffrey's, and this is actually the world's most magical celebration, 50th anniversary blend from Joffrey's. And if you like this, they're also selling this in the parks, I believe, at Disney Springs and potentially on Joffreys.com. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag could be. Anything in here? Paper towels, dish rack if you need it. Recycling bin and trash can because you should always recycle. A little bar here. Another eating area if you have a lot of people in your group. I'm guessing this sleeps maybe just 4. We'll check on that. Nice size TV with your standard welcome to Disney. Here's all the things to do on it. Plenty of storage in here if you need it. And that looks like, is that a DVD player? Nice comfy chair, couch, which I'm guessing is a pull-out. It is. Looks like there's more storage on the coffee table as well. With our cool one day at Disney book when you're not in the park and you need something to read. Phone, lamp. Oh, also, balcony number 1. Come on in. Oh, it's a little tight. So this room is 3032, and as you can see, it has a pool view. A little obstructed by the trees, but you get the picture. All right, let's go back inside. Also, it does have hardwood floors and not carpet. I don't know how recently that was put in. There's carpet in here. Come on into the bedroom. This is a king-size bed, I just noticed. Nightstands on both sides, and both have plugs and USBs. Plenty of storage in that one. One small drawer in this one. beautiful boardwalk artwork. Balcony Doofs. Still got that pool view. 2 chairs and a little baby table. So if you have multiple people in your room, 2 can sit out here on this one and 2 can sit out on the other one. Another lamp. So you have plenty of lighting. Also note, there's a ceiling fan, and I'm pretty sure there was a ceiling fan in the, what we'll call the living room as well. Window here, so you can get plenty of sunlight. That just overlooks a little courtyard. Another nice size TV. Looks like the same cabinet. Plenty of storage. Cute little Mickey details. And if you want to sit in the nice jacuzzi tub after a long day in the parks and watch TV, you can, because there's an opening between the bathroom and the bedroom. Go walk around and I'll show you the rest of the bathroom. So you got a doorway walking straight in from the bedroom. And we get our standard Disney soaps, shampoo, conditioner. Nice, plenty of counter space in here. Lots of storage, hair dryer. So if you had an extended stay, plenty of room to store your things. And an actual walk-in closet. Safe, luggage rack, ironing board and iron. And this is actually a sliding door. But if taking jacuzzi baths is not your thing, we got you covered. You also have a full, we'll turn the light on and show you in just a second. There's a fan attached to it, but you do have a full stand-up shower, which again has more Disney soaps and things, toilet, another sink with a nice little shelf so you can store all of your personal items while you're here, since it's just a pedestal. All right, we'll give you a better view, but it's gonna get loud. Hi again. And if you're here for a long stay or 1 night, 2 nights, and you just don't want to take home your dirty laundry, you've got your own washer and dryer so that you can take home nice clean clothes. Provided laundry detergent there for you if you forgot yours. And that about sums up our tour of a 1-bedroom villa here at Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Have you ever stayed at the Boardwalk? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, remember, no capes.